Looking for the best robot kits to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Makeblock mBot. The Makeblock mBot is an excellent introductory robotics kit that balances affordability with hands-on learning. It introduces users to standard industrial robot components while remaining approachable for beginners, complete with easy-to-follow 3D instructions and an app featuring gamified lessons. I love how it comes with 3 pre-programmed modes, says our tester, so I could start exploring right after building it. This is a solid introductory robotics kit that exposes kids to mechatronics, though it's less user-friendly, requiring dexterity for screw-based assembly and often adult help. I found customizing it tricky without extra parts, a tester notes, yet its pre-programmed modes and app-based lessons make it ideal for LEGO robotics fans seeking a broader challenge if you're okay with a steeper learning curve and add-on costs. For a simpler, budget-friendly alternative, the 4M10Can robot offers easy, tool-free building for beginners. If you want a more advanced robot, check out the Makeblock mBot Ranger. It's about double the price, appeals to kids 8-12+, and gives more build options with more challenge. Another option is the Makeblock mBot 2, which has better sensors and support for complex projects and about double the cost. Number 2. Sphero Mini. The Sphero Mini is our top pick for introducing programming to elementary kids or easing into robotics without intimidation. It's beginner-friendly, starting with remote control and advancing to coding with sensors, like stopping at walls or saying ouch after a drop, packing impressive features into a portable, affordable package. The Sphero Mini is a budget-friendly robotics kit that sparks kids' interest in coding, though it includes only basic accessories like bowling pins and cones, requiring parental creativity for engagement. I had to design a maze for it to solve, a tester shares, noting its open-ended programming potential like painting or navigating challenges, while its durability suits light play but not big drops. For renewable energy fans, the Sillbird STEM 12-in-1 offers 12 solar-powered builds at a low cost. Number 3. 4M10Can robot. The 4M10Can robot is an affordable, beginner-friendly kit that introduces kids to robotics using a recycled soda can as the body, blending basic mechanical and electrical lessons with eco-friendly creativity. I loved how quick it was to build and decorate, says one reviewer, noting its simple assembly takes just an hour or two. Unfortunately, once the building stops, the only way to control its motion is by moving it forward in a straight line. The only other interactive aspect is changing the pose of the eyes and arms. All other activities must come from your child's imagination. It's a low-cost option before investing in a more expensive product. But its appeal will likely fade. If your kid is interested in programming and wants something more challenging, the UBTech Gmu BuzzBot and mBot provides a great platform through its app interface to create your own routines or the option to choose from a library of community designs. Number 4. Nintendo Labo Variety Kit. The Nintendo Labo Variety Kit is ideal if your child's glued to their Switch, blending fun with learning through 5 projects that grow in complexity and offer customization. I was amazed at how easy the interactive instructions made it, a parent says, praising its drag-and-drop coding interface and clear guidance from a virtual team. The Nintendo Labo impresses with its cardboard builds but lacks durability, juice spills or frequent use can ruin it, and expansion is limited without third-party options. I love the creativity, but it wore out fast, a user notes, though it's still a budget-friendly pick for Switch-owning kids into gaming and engineering. For car enthusiasts, the expandable Lego Uno Project Smart Car Kit version 3.0 shines. Number 5. Sillbird STEM 12-in-1. The Sillbird STEM 12-in-1 is a very inexpensive but limited solar-powered kit. Its electrical system consists of a single solar panel and a motor that can be configured up to 12 different ways. These include rolling, walking, and even swimming creations, making this kit a great option for young scientists and engineers that are just starting, particularly if they have an interest in renewable energy or green technology. Although the Sillbird STEM 12-in-1 is a great option to pique a child's interest, you might find that it has a hard time holding that interest for long. It doesn't matter which 12 forms you build, you can't control this robot at all. If there is sufficient solar energy, it is limited to driving forward in a straight line. The assembly process, particularly of the gearbox, is also difficult, especially for kids of the age that this would most appeal to. It may take an adult more time to cut all of the pieces out of their frames and clean them up than a kid will actually spend playing with this product. It isn't the most intuitive to use these parts for your own creations, and its inability to run without sufficient sunlight can really put a damper on creative play. It is a low-cost starting point, just don't be too surprised if it fails to inspire continued play or learning. If your child has robotic experience and wants to take the next step in building, the Makeblock Ultimate 2.0 is a serious step up for those looking to pursue more intensive projects.